Hello everyone, I'm Shobita. I'm sure you're watching my videos on Shobita Talks. Please like them and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications for my upcoming videos. These videos are very beneficial for learners of English language, for students of all age groups, and for the teachers too. My tip for the day, it is again about enhancing your vocabulary. Start reading books, magazines, and of course newspaper. Make reading your habit. And when you come across a new word while reading, find out its meaning and add it in your mini dictionary. So this is enhancing your vocabulary. You're finding new words by reading books and magazines and newspaper. And the most important, by reading newspaper, you learn report writing, which is a part of your syllabus. So let's begin the video for today. And my topic is adverbs. And it is comparison of adverbs. Last time we did comparison of adjectives. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. Similarly, adverbs also have these 3 degrees of comparison. So, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which is used with a verb or an adjective or another adverb to add to its meaning. I repeat, an adverb is a word which is used with a verb or an adjective or another adverb to add to its meaning. For example, I walked very quickly. Now, very, adverb of degree, modifying the adverb quickly. I walked very quickly. It is modifying the adverb quickly. How I walked? Very quickly. Now, quickly, adverb of manner, modifying the verb walked. How I walked? I walked very quickly. Now the second sentence. The water was rather cold. Rather, adverb of degree modifying the adjective cold. The water was rather cold. It is modifying the adjective cold. Now I'll read out 3 sentences. Just listen to them very carefully. I came early this morning. Rita came earlier. Renu came earliest of all. It can be noted that, like adjectives, some adverbs have degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. If you remember, even adjectives had these 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. In the sentences which I spoke just now, early is in the positive degree, earlier is in the comparative degree, and earliest is in the superlative degree. Early, earlier, and earliest. Adverbs ending in ly form the comparative degree by adding more, and the superlative degree by adding most to its positive degree. I repeat, adverbs ending in ly form the comparative degree by adding more, and the superlative degree by adding most to its positive degree, such as neatly, more neatly, most neatly, swiftly, more swiftly, most swiftly. A few adverbs are compared irregularly. For example, well, better, best. So this is irregular comparison of adverbs. Badly, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Little, less, least. Later, later, latest, or last. Far, further, farthest. So many adverbs cannot be compared. It's not that all adverbs can be compared. There are a few adverbs which cannot be compared. And these are thus, now, then, here, these, once, twice, very, almost, half, not, consequently. So this was the comparison of adverbs. So now what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which is used with a verb or an adjective or another adverb to add to its meaning. And adverbs also have the degrees of comparison like adjectives, that is positive, comparative and superlative degree. I hope you have understood. It's very easy, very simple, and just like adjectives. But there are some irregular adjectives and irregular adverbs and some adverbs which cannot be compared. Thank you. Have a nice time and stay safe. Bye.